proxy server, homework 4 for network systems. So I'm going to run through the code first, and then I'll run the code for you to see the output. So you can see here that it creates a socket with the client, and then it spins off a new thread so that it can handle the request from each connection. And then here, this is the method that handles the request. And the first thing it does is it checks to make sure that it's a GET and that it's the proper version of HTTP. So if either of those are incorrect, then it will return an error based on the error. So for example, here would be the error for an incorrect request, and here would be the error for an incorrect version. And then here I'm checking to make sure that I'm sent a correct IP address. So this is done after I remove the HTTP and then the other potential information after the .com or .edu. Then what I do is I create the socket with the server that the client wants to make a connection with. And then after that connection is made, I'll send a request with the exact information that the client wants. And if the request doesn't go through, I'll send the client an error. But if the request does go through, then I'll receive the information here from the host server, and then here I'll send that information to the client server. So now I'm going to run the code so that you can see the thing in action. So here I'm running on port 10,001. And then I'm going to make a simple request. So HTTP So you can see here, these are all the HTML tags that were sent from my proxy server to the clients. Okay, and then I'm going to run it again, and this time show the error. Show the error that was returned when you make an incorrect statement. So as you can see here, it was a put request that was made, and because that's a method that's not supported by this server, I'm returning the error here of an invalid method. And then finally, I'm going to show how it works when you make a request with an extension. So for example, if you want to do www.cnn.com/Iraq. So you see here that the server correctly returned all the HTML tags from this page after the request was made. Thank you.